Hello, this is Steve K with Bowling Green Chevy. We're going to take a look here at this LTZ. You can tell it's LTZ because of the 20-inch chrome wheels. You also have the chrome down the side and the chrome door handles. Take a look at this nice wide footstep here. Those were added to this truck. In the front, you can see how it's got the painted bumpers, the painted grille. That lets you know that it's the Z71 package that has been so popular this year. Here's another peek at those 20-inch chrome wheels, and we're going to look on the inside. Now, what really sets it apart is that leather seating with that center console. It has a place to charge your phone in that center console. We've got this particular one has the moonroof. You also have your AC and DC plug-ins in the front. Now, as we come around to the back, look at all the legroom. 3 people comfortably can sit in this vehicle on a long trip and be absolutely comfortable the whole time. Seat flips up if you want to put something in there, your groceries if it's raining, something you just don't want to put in the back. As we come around the back here, you can see the Chevy installed bed liner. Come on down and see me, Steve K, at Bowling Green Chevy.